Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete community in WhatsApp. So if you create a community on WhatsApp and you no longer need the community or you just mistakenly create a community, let me show you how to delete it in this video. So the first thing you need to do is open your WhatsApp and you need to open the community chats. Once you open it, you need to click on Mage Community right here and you need to open the community group. So this is the group for the community. So just click on it and you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see deactivate community option. So click on deactivate. You need to read all this. So just click on deactivate and you need to confirm it. After that, the community will be deleted successfully, but the group will still made because once you create the community on WhatsApp, it is going to create a group for the community. So let me show you how to delete the group also. So click on the group, click on the profile name, scroll down and click on delete group. So before being these two things, you need to note that you must be part of the admin. So if you're not the admin of the community or the group, you won't be able to delete it. They just confirm it. And the group and community will be deleted. If you have any question about this, please drop it in the comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.